Experience superior sounds with the Ortizan X8 Pro Bluetooth speaker, delivering 40 W of loud stereo sound with enhanced bass and crystal clear highs in 3 EQ modes. Immerse yourself in true wireless stereo pairing by connecting two Ortizan X8 Pro speakers for a combined 80 W of powerful immersive sound, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy a beat dynamic light show with the dynamic lighting effect that dances and phases with the music, creating a vibrant party atmosphere with a dazzling 7-color light display. Feel the powerful beats and impressive sound quality, whether you're gaming, listening to music, or watching a movie with the Ortizan X8 Pro Bluetooth speaker's LED light feature. Elevate your audio experience with the Ortizan X8 Pro Bluetooth speaker, designed for home and outdoor use, providing deep bass, wireless connectivity, and IPX7 waterproof protection.